Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Now, if you want to mirror your iPhone screen to another computer, a TV, something that's external, a screen that's external, you can easily do so on your iPhone. The first thing that we will do is head into our settings, and then we will scroll down until we get to General, and then tap on AirPlay and hand off. Now AirPlay is screen mirroring. That's the same thing, it's just Apple's version of it. So I'm going to tap automatically AirPlay to TVs, and I'm going to switch it from never over to either ask or automatic. So if you choose ask, it will ask you if it recognizes an option to do a screen mirroring. I'm going to hop out of here now, and I'll swipe down from top right, and you can see those two different rectangles. I'm going to tap on that, and you can see it brings up a screen mirroring option from here. If there's anything that you can connect to, it will pop up as an option, and you just tap on it, and it will automatically mirror your iPhone screen over. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.